Start a video marketing service or add a video marketing service to your marketing agency. Content Samurai allows you to create professional-looking videos in a matter of minutes. It's so easy to use. It's a total game changer for individuals that don't like creating videos because of camera shyness or just don't have the time or equipment to produce videos on a regular basis. You are in for an eye-opening surprise here. Content Samurai is a game changer for digital marketing agencies that want to offer video marketing services to their clients. People love consuming content through video. They are 4 times more likely to purchase a product or service after watching a video about it. 90% of consumers rely on videos to make a purchasing decision. Online content with videos can increase conversions by 80%. 64% of online consumers will make a purchase after watching a video. A 1 minute of video is equivalent to 1.8 million words. Over 500 hours of videos are watched daily on YouTube. A staggering 1/3 of online browsing done watching videos. Videos on social media get 12 times more shares than other forms of content. So starting a video marketing business or adding video marketing services to your digital marketing agency's list of services could be a money maker. Do you know that creating high-quality videos can end up costing a lot of money? You will either have to purchase expensive video editing software, many of which can take a while to master, or you can outsource the production of your videos. But as an alternative to all this, luckily there is a far better solution, and that solution is creating high-quality videos with Content Samurai. Content Samurai is a web-based software application that will allow you to create high-quality videos with little effort, even if you have no prior experience. The team behind Content Samurai are also the developers of Market Samurai, one of the most well-known keyword research tools on the market. Content Samurai was released in 2015 and is probably the best video creation software of its kind. Creating videos with Content Samurai is very simple. The hardest part will probably be coming up with a script for your video. If you are interested, click the link in the description box for a free 7-day trial of Content Samurai, and for signing up from my links I will give you for free the YouTube SEO cheat sheet. I'll also put the link in the description box.